Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To determine how Photoshop Elements translate your Camera Raw file format, you can choose the Camera Calibration tab in the Settings panel at the right side of the Camera Raw dialog box. The current process version used for the selected Camera Raw file is shown within the Process dropdown. The default value is to use the 2012 current setting. A process version is a method of translating the Camera Raw data so that you can access the tools and settings available for that process version of Camera Raw within the dialog box. The most current version contains the most tools and settings available. However, if you had previously opened the current Camera Raw image in a previous version of Photoshop Elements, you may see a different process version shown. You can click the Process dropdown to select which process version you want to apply to the current image. The most current version allows you to have the most improved and current tools available, but you can also select an older version if needed for your workflow or for consistency between the process settings applied to your Camera Raw files. Note that for the Process version 2012 current, the highlights, shadows, and whites sliders that appear within the Basic tab replace the previous Recovery, Fill Light, and Brightness sliders from the previous versions. On the Details tab, the Color Detail slider has been added, but remains disabled unless the color slider is adjusted. Now, in addition, the Luminance Detail and Luminance Contrast sliders have been added, but also remain disabled unless the Luminance setting is adjusted. You will also find that switching to an older process version disables the newest sliders that are available. You can use the Camera Profile drop-down to select a camera color profile to apply to the selected image. This will change the color of the image shown within the histogram and the preview image depending on which preset you select.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.